Hello creative friends, this is Monica Paruta by Stamperia here for you to show you the novelties for autumn and winter. I would like to introduce to you our new product, Aquarelle. They are watercolors, very easy to use. We have 12 different colors and they are very pigmented, and only one drop of product will allow you to create wonderful watercolors, even if you are not an expert with this technique. So we try to make everything easier with already made product. Papers, so aquarelle paper in 2 sizes, and the aquarelle masking medium. You can also use stencils with this technique and create something nice and very easy. So, can you see all these dancers in different colors created with the help of the masking medium? Thank you for following us and see you soon. Bye bye.
Il masking, scusami.